I guess they're gonna be transformed into this world where you're like, and that's how I felt when I saw it for the first time. It starts with this like this, you know, chase.
Yeah.
And you're like, there's these huge moving cities. You're on, they're like these tanks moving, like crushing, tearing up the earth. Like the seats vibrate. You're kind of like, I mean, the soundscape of this movie is phenomenal.
It's pretty insane.
So I think like they're just gonna be like thrown into this crazy world.
The flying things we do in the Jenny
Yeah.
Hanover is going to be really exciting.
Yes.
There's going to be a lot of wind there.
Yes. Yeah. Exactly. Shaking.
Up and down.
Yeah.
Turbulence.